More fallout after tech lender Silicon Valley Bank collapsed on Friday. It failed to raise enough money to end its capital crisis. And now companies like Etsy are feeling the impact. CBS 2's Cristian Benavides reports.
This week's rush to pull money out of Silicon Valley Bank sparked the largest failure of a U.S. institution since the 2007 financial crisis. California and federal regulators seized the nation's 16th largest bank's assets, transferring them to a newly created institution. It's expected to start paying out insured deposits on Monday. The plan is to sell off the rest of the assets to make payouts to other depositors.
We're relying on SVB as our bank to move money on behalf of our payroll company into the accounts of our employees. The key question is, are those funds going to move as planned on Monday morning? That's uncertain.
California Congressman Eric Swalwell issued a statement saying he's heard from, quote, scores of constituents who have not received their paychecks because of this crisis, putting their mortgages and financial security at risk. Working to reassure Americans, Biden administration officials said Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is watching the situation closely.
Our banking system is in a fundamentally different place than it was, a decade ago, and that the reforms that were put into place back then really provide the kind of resilience that we'd like to see.
In addition to startup businesses, established companies like Shopify, Pinterest, Etsy, and Roku are feeling the impact. In a filing Friday, Roku said about a quarter of its cash, nearly $500 million, was deposited at Silicon Valley Bank, adding it was largely uninsured. Cristian Benavides, CBS News.